Hello dear children, I welcome you all in English classroom, and today in this video session we have another topic of writing, that is diary entry. Children, in this module you will learn how to make an entry in a diary. Introduction. Children, diary entry is considered to be very personal form of writing. A diary is a personal space where one can express one's desires, disappointments, aspirations, happiness and other aspects of life. Means it is a personal record of incidents experienced by a writer and his or her resultant feelings, emotions and reactions. Alright children? Means you can express your desires, disappointments, happiness and all the other things that you experience in your life. You can say it is a daily record written in the latter half of the day before going to bed. Okay children? Now let us understand how will we write diary. Children, first of all you have to write day, date and time. Then you have to write diary in first person. Okay? Means you have to consider that you are writing a diary, so you are the first person. Okay? As I, first person is I and we. So you have to write diary as I am writing or we are writing. Okay? So you will not write diary in second or third person. Alright children? It should not be written in second and third person. It should be written in first person. Okay? In diary, you have to use a language that is chatty, friendly and informal. Okay? Children, you have to be careful that you have to write a diary in first person and in active voice. And you have to use a language that is chatty, friendly and informal. Okay children? You have to treat your diary as a friend whom you can share each and every secret of your life. You can confess your mistake also by writing in your diary. Alright? At the end, you can add your signature or you can simply write bye or good night. It shows the closing of diary entry. Alright children? Children, you have to remember that these points are very important. You know, these are very important points because format play a very important role. Okay? So, please stuck to this format. Please learn this format, how you are going to write a diary. So, please be careful about the format because it plays a very, very, very important role in writing section. This is the part where you will get good marks. Alright? Okay. Children, some points you need to remember while writing a diary. Okay? First point is, diary should not be a record of your daily schedule. Children, you have to remember that you have to write special and precious moments of your life. It should not contain your daily records, right? Like your morning to evening schedule, your routine. No, you have to write special things in diary. The use of code words and abbreviations is permitted. Okay, means as I told you that it is informal. You can use short forms, abbreviations and code languages also. Okay, stress should be on content, expressions, coherence and relevance of the content presented. Children, you have to give emphasis on feelings, emotions and reactions rather than describing incidents. All right? Okay. Let us see the format of diary entry. Children, this is the format of diary entry. This is how you will write diary. So first of all, you have to write day, date, and then time, and then you have to leave a line. Then you have to write salutation, and then this is the body. See, this is the body. Okay, and then signing off. Signing off means you have to write your name or your signature. Alright, children? Okay, let us move towards our next slide. Now, let us understand how we will write day and date. See, children, this is how you can write day and date. This is the proper format for diary entry. So first you have to write the day, that is Sunday, then the date, and then June, and then 2020, the year. Then after that you have to write time. Time you can write like this also, 4 p.m. Else you can write 4 o'clock also. In salutation you can write dear diary or dearest diary in the beginning. In introduction part you can write journal comment like how the day was. Now next is body. Children, this is the main part of diary entry. Okay, you can start diary entry by describing what happened and then write your reaction to the incidents. Divide the diary entry in short and cohesive paragraphs. It can be 2 or 3, doesn't matter, but it should be cohesive. Then conclusion. You can write simple closing sentence. You can end your diary entry by writing your future plans and actions or any resolution. Next is closing. Children, you can close your diary entry by writing by love or anything. Okay? Now next is signature. Children, the diary entry must end only by the writer's first name. The surname must not be mentioned in diary entry. Okay? Alright. Let us move towards our next slide. Children, here is the specimen for diary entry. This is how you will write diary, and you can see and you will learn by the specimen that how you are going to write a diary entry. So first of all you have to write day and then date, then you have to write time, then you have to write salutation as dear diary or dearest diary, then body, and then your signature or your name. Alright children, I hope you all have got how you will write diary entry, the format and all the things which we have discussed today. Yet you have any queries regarding anything, you can write in the comment box. We shall meet in the next video children. Till then, you just take care of yourself, take care of your family, stay at home, study at home. That is all for today. And protect yourself and your loved ones from coronavirus by washing your hands regularly with soap and water. Cover your mouth and nose while sneezing or coughing. Avoid close contact with anyone who has cold or flu-like symptoms. Okay? If you have fever, cough and difficulty in breathing, seek medical care immediately. Okay? Thank you for watching. Have a good day.